When it comes to business aviation, there's a lot to consider, with speed, comfort, and cost being among the top concerns. However, the range is of equal importance, with the longest range private jets being amongst the most coveted. After all, is there any point in flying at top speed if you need to land to refuel halfway through your journey? Measured in nautical miles, (nm), simply put, the range is how far a plane can fly. If your travels regularly take you across the world, be it for business or pleasure, the range should be at the top of your priority list when choosing a private jet for charter or purchase. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Bombardier has a fairly long and storied Canadian tradition, but not necessarily as an aerospace leader. In fact, it's one of the more odd stories out there in aviation companies and branding. Bombardier began life as the original snowmobile manufacturer in the 1930s and 40s as a product of necessity on the harsh and unforgiving Canadian frontiers. Today, they're an aerospace and rail mogul, which includes a series of highly touted business jets, including the large cabin glass Global 8000, a beautiful business jet that provides the global capability for up to 17 pampered passengers. Bombardier began manufacturing the Global 8000 large jet in and continues to do so today. The cabin measures 45.6 feet long by 8.2 feet wide by 6.25 feet tall, giving it a total cabin volume of 2,236 cubic feet. The dimensions make it comfortable for 14 passengers with a maximum configuration seating of 17. The baggage compartment can hold up to 28 bags, assuming your average piece of luggage is less than 5 cubic feet. The Global 8000 has a maximum range, subject to headwinds, high altitude, hot temperatures, or higher capacity, of 7,900 miles and a maximum speed of 710 miles per hour. Common names and abbreviations: Global 8000, Global 8000. The Bombardier Global 8000 business jet delivers unsurpassed range, speed, and short field capabilities, connecting leaders to more destinations faster and with greater efficiency than has ever previously been achievable. It was designed to match today's customers' needs and lifestyles by accessing more challenging city center airports. The Global 8000 corporate jet achieves a remarkable range and speed. The 8000 engines are technologically advanced and highly efficient. With their lower fuel burn and significantly lower emissions, they combine new levels of efficiency and environmental responsibility with tremendous power, performance, and reliability. The Bombardier Global 8000 is classified as a long-range private jet that has the capability of traveling 7,900 nautical miles continuously while moving at a constant cruise speed of Mach 0.85. Not only that, but this long-range private jet is built with a payload capacity of practically 5,700 pounds. It's able to produce nearly 2,300 more pounds of thrust than any other type of private jet available on the market. More specifically, it contains 16,500 pounds of thrust overall. The Global 8000 is in good company, sharing the floor with the Gulfstream 5 and 550, and more prominently the Gulfstream 650. This is to say that, in terms of cabin volume, seating, speed, and range, the field is actually very small. Bombardier has wisely broken away from the pack and surged to the front where there are far fewer thoroughbred competitors. In addition to that, the Bombardier Global 8000 is able to comfortably seat around 13 passengers, so larger groups can be taken on this jet. The 13 passengers also doesn't include the flight crew. This private jet is available for purchase, requesting $68.7 million. The Global 8000 contains a Passport 20 engine and also includes a high-speed transonic wing. The Global 8000 features a Bombardier Vision flight deck with integrated fly-by-wire technology. The cockpit has 4 large crystal displays, LCD screens, head-up display HUD, enhanced vision system EVS, and synthetic vision system SVS. It has a graphical flight planning and multi-scan weather radar including wind shear protection. The aircraft also boasts the latest performance-based navigation (PBN) features such as Wide Area Augmentation System (WAAS), localizer performance with vertical guidance (LPV) approach, and area navigation (RNAV) that allows the aircraft positions to be determined continuously wherever it is within the scope of navigation aids or within the limits of a self-contained system ability. Unfortunately, There are other long-range private jets that have the ability to travel at faster speeds, but these private jets have more thrust power than most other jets on the market. Not only that, but the Bombardier Global 8000 has an operating altitude of 51,000 feet, which is also higher than most other long-range private jets available for purchase. Developed from the popular Global 6000 in production since 2012, which is a continuation of the Global line of aircraft from Bombardier, as of 2018, some 750 Global Series jets were in operation across the globe, so it's a proven design that lends itself to subtle modification and continuous improvement processes. The Global 8000 is the evolution of a proven fuselage married to a transonic wing. The Global 8000 is designed to operate in the range of Mach 0.8 to 0.95, which is a very fast cruise intended to cover a lot of ground in a minimal time frame. Embracing a design philosophy focused on customer needs and the overall travel experience, the Global 8000 business jet offers a more flexible, more comfortable, and light-filled living environment than any other three-zone cabin in business aviation. The Global 8000 business jet offers clients more space, comfort, and luxury than any aircraft in its class. It was designed to match the customer's lifestyle, and for optimal performance, with 8 passengers, the Global 8000 aircraft will comfortably accommodate up to 19 passengers. The aircraft's window design optimizes natural light at all seating locations and provides considerably improved viewing angles and viewing range, seated or standing. 6 windows per zone are optimally aligned with seats and with monuments throughout all areas. The new seat design provides unprecedented comfort over longer flights. All seats are berthable to provide bed-like comfortable for all passengers. The advanced lighting concept allows easy adjustment of the cabin ambience in each zone and is adaptive to your ideal activity, work, play, dining, or just relaxing. Set in the cabin's quietest area and with its permanent bed option, the aft stateroom provides home-like master bedroom comfort and intimacy. The private ensuite amenities, luxuriously detailed, can also be furnished with a true stand-up shower. The specification process for personalizing a Bombardier business aircraft to completion typically takes place over several meetings. The Bombardier business aircraft team focuses primarily on gathering information about the customer, their plans for the aircraft, frequent missions, city pairings, and how many passengers would typically be aboard. The total volume of the Global 8000's cabin is 2,236 cubic feet, smaller than that of the Global 7000. The cabin has 3 zones, and 195 cubic feet of baggage compartment volume make up for a smaller cabin. Then there's a Bombardier's technological innovation. First, there is the fly-by-wire system. Fly-by-wire technology replaces conventional flight controls and allows the aircraft's computers to perform tasks without the pilot's input to stabilize the aircraft for smooth, uninterrupted flight. Bombardier's Nuage Seats adds another dimension of luxury. Previously the first new seat architecture in business aviation in 30 years. Bombardier's Nuage seating architecture becomes key because it facilitates the kind of movement that reflects the desires, personal tastes, and lifestyles of their clientele. Nuage seating is the industry's first new seating architecture in 30 years, designed to maximize comfort and relaxation on long-haul flights. Nuage introduces an all-new ergonomically perfected deep recline position, unavailable on any other business aircraft. Unlike other aircraft seats where only the back pivots, pushing the body forward and leading to discomfort, Nuage dips the seat as the back is reclined, fully cradling the body and ensuring optimal comfort. Priced at $68.7 million, top-notch connectivity, functionality, comfort, layout, and aesthetics are impressively transformed into an extension of one's personality, something the ultra-high net worth UHNW absolutely cannot live without. And when it finally comes to market, the Global 8000 will be more than a luxury business jet, it just may be the penultimate expression of exclusivity. The Bombardier Global 8000 is not for everyone. In fact, it has a very distinct class for which it will serve. But there's a market for it, a market that has relatively few competitors. Bombardier has a proven track record, with hundreds of Globals flying, as well as a slew of their smaller cousins, the Challengers. When you add the iconic Learjet brand into the equation, you have superior brand recognition built on reliable, consistent products which have delivered solid performance for many years.